Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide direct bank transfer and check payment gateway based on shipping class in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page. Now you see product and then you see direct bank transfer check payment. So we are going to hide both payment gateway using shipping class ID. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. Then you see WP code, insert header and footer plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see shipping class target ID 85. Now go to WooCommerce setting and we are in shipping tab and then we are in classes section. Now you see product 1, shipping class target ID 85, product 2, shipping class ID 86. By default ID column not shown in classes section. So we show this using custom code and you will find video link in video description. Now back to code, we added 85, scroll down. Now you see payment gateway ID BACS for direct bank transfer, check for check payment. If you want you can unset both, if you want you can remove it or you can unset one, it's up to you. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now you see our two payment gateway hide, only show cash on delivery, credit card, PayPal. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.